Welcome aboard, Sean.
Hey, how's it going?
Excellent. We've got a fantastic one for you guys today. The wonderful world of Waikato Sheds has produced this amazing habitable shed here in Ruakura. It's fantastic. I've got our main man Sean here. He's going to talk us through some of the details here. But let's start it off. What colours have we got on here, Sean?
Hey guys, nice to see you again. As you can see, we've gone with a nice white colour here. It's T-rib. This one's called Titania. Very popular colour, really. It's not as white as the cloud or anything like that. That's why our client went with it. But then we've also got a little bit of thunder grey here, just for a little bit of contrast. Thunder grey really goes around like the corner flashings on the side there, also around the roller doors and the barges up the top. But yeah, colourway, awesome, really love it.
Really impressed with these sectional doors that we've got here. So these are a flasher version of them. They're made by Garador, installed by our mates at Waikato Door Specialists. But they're the Aspen flat panel. Now what colour have we got on here, Sean?
These ones are a little bit of gold grey here. Obviously 3 colours going through the shed. We could have gone with thunder grey, but the contrast here with the little bit lighter following in with the Titania cladding really suits.
For this shed, this concrete slab, driveway, it's all been done by our mates at Dirtworks. Then we got the bollards here as well from bollards.co.nz as well. So they're excellent. So the size of this shed is epic. 12 metres wide, 22 metres deep, 5.8 metres to the gutter. So it is absolutely huge. Shed dreams are made of these. Now I know everyone's already been watching for a couple of minutes and want to be like, hey, I want to see what's going on inside. I want to see the rest of this shed. So Sean, open it up, let's get inside, and I want to go through the big door.
Yep, come have a look.
Sweet. Also shout out whilst we're getting this one opened up, Ryan Billings and Ludwig built this shed and they have done a fantastic job. As we go around, I'm going to show you some of the fantastic stuff they've done. But a real mark of an excellent shed builder is how they do their flashings. And as you can see, just on the outside of these doors, the flashings are excellent. We'll check out some of the joinery as we go through, but excellent work, Ryan Ludwig. Come on through and let's go walk. Awesome. Now this shed is fantastic.
Pretty serious, ain't it?
Pretty serious indeed. Now, structure all made by our mates Metalcraft up in Auckland. Shout out to you guys. Then all the cladding was rolled here by Metalcraft down in Hamilton. But check these things out. We've got back-to-back C330s. Just absolutely massive. Strength by design, a little bit of knee brace up there, a little bit of apex bracing in there. We've already got the LED high bays in here, so this place is looking good. Now, the internal fit out's been done by New Image. Awesome. They're lifestyle building specialists here in the Waikato. John O'Hearn, he's been looking after this build, so they're doing a great job. We're going to see some of their work, what they've done so far, and we'll definitely be back to see the finished product. But hey, let's turn around, let's have a look at what we got underneath on this mezzanine floor before we take you upstairs.
Hey guys, so as you can see, there's a lot of space under here. Me and Jason are some big dudes, and obviously enough headroom for all of us. So these big metal beams here, they're made just for support to be able to hold up the mezzanine floor. There's also some SHS posts. We got these done by PedMac Engineering, just down in Morrinsville. Awesome people down there, always happy to help us out with all those small little niggly jobs that everyone doesn't like doing. This guy loves doing them. But yeah, these are also made from Modco Engineering, these big old pillars here. Yeah,
they look pretty strong. You reckon they can hold us up?
Yeah, probably. Should we give it a test?
Alright.
Oh. Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good.
Not moving anywhere.
Now they've got a nice little bathroom downstairs. Got a sectional door there, 2.2 metres high, 3 metres wide. That's going to be awesome, bringing the car through, the access through. But hey, I know everyone wants to come on upstairs, so follow us up and let's have a look.
Isn't this place just awesome? First thing you always see is awesome joinery items here. City Glass again, done an amazing job. These are really unique. They're quite big, large windows for this place. 1.8 by 2.2. Can't beat them really.
What I love about these windows as well is they're sliding. Open it up, slide it open, beautiful view. Got the lovely horses out there. Then just slide it on shut. So the same sort of style as a ranch cider, but awesome. And these big thick beams are because this is a portal frame shed. So the steel, and then they've lined it with timber and created the building on the inside. So we've actually got our portal frame here that they've boxed up and hidden away, but it creates this big castle-like walls that are full of insulation. So it's going to be nice and cool in summer, warm in the winter. So it's just looking great. Paint's going on this week, and yeah, I can't wait to come back and see it. For the design, there's going to be a beautiful kitchen here. We're going to have bathrooms, we've got bedrooms upstairs. So this place is absolutely fantastic. What I also love is they've got these glazed windows in here, so you can look out from your castle up high, down on all the cool toys and everything else that's going down on the shed. Because who doesn't want to just appreciate their shed all day, every day? Oh, I know I would. Alright Sean, what else have we got?
Alright, let me take you outside and I'll show you how these flashings have been done around the windows. Awesome job by Ryan Billings and his crew. Hey guys, outside again now. As you can see, awesome flashings done here. So a lot of you guys might actually know, but all our flashings are custom made. So the builders will come through, they'll install the windows, the roller door people will come and put the roller doors in, and then we customly make all our flashings to measurement for what is required. Gives an awesome finish, and obviously that's what we're going for.
Yeah, so they're all done by Metalcraft in Hamilton, and a real shout out to the guys on the flashing folders, because it's a hard job and they're smashing out flashings all day, every day. And I don't think a lot of people really appreciate the work that will often go in within the factories of New Zealand to produce a building like this. So yeah, they've done excellent work to do this. The measurements have to be right by the builders and their crew. You know, the guys in the office like Sean have got to get it right, but it's a real team collaborative effort to produce a building of this quality. And these are designed, this is going to be lasting 50 plus years, so, you know, great work everybody. Now, thanks for watching, you know, sounds it, like Sean, share me, subscribe, and get to see more videos. Thanks guys.
Thank you.